Hi, welcome traders. Welcome to JJP Trading Academy. Today in this video we are going to see about the Bank Nifty Direct Index analysis for 3rd January 2022. And I wish you a happy new year to all our followers and subscribers till now. Till now in our YouTube channel we have posted many analysis videos as well as we have posted many strategies to make a consistent profits till now. So if you want to see that every videos, go to the previous videos till now I have posted, and you can see all our strategies till now I have posted. So I am going to say about the 3rd January 2022 analysis, and I will be providing you the important levels in this video. So watch this video till the end. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. So right now I am going to show you the most important levels to trade for 3rd January 2022. So these levels I have plotted according to our team members research and analysis. So once you start trading with these levels, you will be easily analyzing the market trend and whatever the market sideways movements are, how the market is going to react today. So we can easily analyze the market for the intraday trading. So right now I have plotted every levels here. So these are the main important levels to start trading for 3rd January. So I will be explaining you the levels each by each. So first of all, let us consider the market has been closed for 31st December at 325 candle. So you just see here in 5 minutes time frame now I have opened. So in this time it has been closed here. So according to the market situation, today Saturday and Sunday is a gap for market. So there will be a big gap up or gap down we can expect. This gap up or gap down is according to the world market news. So we could not accurately say how much the gap up or gap down should be happen. But we can analyze according to the international market situation between 9 o'clock. We can easily analyze. So that is reacting according to the world market news. So again, whatever the gap up or gap down, these levels will be helping you to trade as an intraday trader. So first of all, you just see according to our analysis and of price action, we are expecting the market to be gap down. This is our analysis. So most probably the market should gap down according to price action. If there is any gap up movements, then there may be a positive news around the world, and if the market of any other international markets is moving positive, then the market we can expect the market to be a gap up. So please understand that these levels will be more important to trade in intraday. So first of all, the buy rejection main level I have given as 35,595. This level is one of the level which you can, once the market is gap up or gap down. So once the market is trying to reach this level, you can expect a rejection from this level. So for that, if you want to take entry according to the buy rejection level, you need a perfect rejection candle like this. At least it should be a red candle also, no problem, but the candle wick should be higher in the upper side, then only we can expect the market for a sell side movement in this level. So once if it is rejecting in this level, then most probably we can expect the market to be for sell side in this level. Otherwise, if it is perfectly breaking this level and retesting and again rejecting upper side, then we can expect the market for a buy side entry through this level. So once if you are expecting the market, if the market is started moving for buy side, then we can expect this second main rejection level as this level. So right now I have plotted it as a zone. So this level is full of zone levels. So the level reacted from 35,957.70 till 35,897.30. That's all. These are the main important levels for buy side movement. So once after the buy side movement, we can expect a last buy side rejection here only. So once you are getting any rejection candles between this zone, then we can expect it for a sell side entry, again sell side entry. So once if you are after the market starts, if we can expect the buy rejection first level as a here and the second level as here. So once if it is breaking these two levels, then we can expect the final target to be here. That's all. This is the buy side movement levels, and as per our sell side analysis, you can see this zone of 35,356 to 35,301 is the sell side rejection level. this level also the same thing we need to follow as a buy side rejection candle. So once you are getting any buy rejection candles in this sell side rejection zones, then we can take entry on that candle high itself. So once you are getting a pin bar candle with a buy bullish movement candles, so then you can expect a buy side entry through this sell side rejection candles rejection zones. So once you are getting an entry with the buy rejection candle, then you can enter. So through this we can expect a target here, and once it is breaking again and again, I am saying once if it is breaking, then you should not consider this for a rejection level most probably. So once if you are entering for a buy side rejection through this sell rejection zone, then surely we can expect the market to reach this level. So like this, once if the market starting itself, if you are seeing any bullish movement or bearish movements in this sell side rejection zone, then if it is breaking powerfully, then again there is a retest entry for the sell side entry. So once after the sell side entry, we can expect the main rejection levels as 35,221 and 35,114. So this is the first target to be reached for sell side, and until that we can expect any buy rejections in these two levels. So once after breakout of this zone, we can expect for sell side rejection in this zone. So once after that, the final rejection support level is this only, 35,032 to 34,956, 966. So right now I have provided you the most important levels to trade for Bank Nifty intraday as per the index analysis. So you can take entry in options also. So these are the main levels. So thank you traders, thanks for watching this video till the end. If you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel.